and I never paid attention to these hours of class. And now it's painfully so clear to me each hour that passes as I scratch the stomach for this minimum cash. I'm getting older, growing cold, find it harder to laugh, find it harder to smile. It's been a while since last, and I know I'm reaping what I sowed for deeds in the past. And I know I couldn't see past all the wealth I amassed. And I know I never thanked you for these blessings you cast. And I know I never thought of you when good times were fast. I was stupid, and I'm sorry. If I could, I'd go back. Still to tell me you're the one that see me feeling like trash. In my heart and soul, you hurt me more each breath that I gas. Now I come to you, I'm stumbling, humbly ask, Lord, God help me, cause I'm losing the world you're living in, and it's world. Yeah.